Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily replace the motor of your AUTOSUN1 kit with the new AUTOSUN2 motor. This new motor is smarter with easier integration and installation. All you need is the connection cable and your new AUTOSUN2 motor with its 2-point connector. First, disconnect the motor from your AUTOSUN1 kit and replace it with your new AUTOSUN2 motor. Take the connection cable and connect it in the place of your old motor using the 4-point connector. Then connect your new motor to the cable with the 2-pin connector. Caution! The solar panel must also be connected to this connection cable with the 2-point connector. Note that the 2-point connector of your battery is not connected. Your new AUTOSUN2 motor is now connected.